Could a Japanese drug maker you've barely heard of be one of the best under-the-radar opportunities in biotech? At Insightful Value, we specialize in uncovering companies that the market isn't paying enough attention to. And Ono Pharmaceutical might be one of the most interesting cases out there. This video is for informational and educational purposes only, not financial advice. So let's talk about this potential gem. Ono Pharmaceutical, based in Osaka, is not some tiny clinical stage startup. It's a well-established revenue-generating company with real products, real profits, and real global partnerships. They're best known for their blockbuster cancer immunotherapy drug, Opdivo, which they co-developed with Bristol Myers Squibb. That drug alone has changed the game in oncology and is generating billions in global revenue, and Ono receives significant royalties from that. But the company isn't just a one-hit wonder. Its pipeline includes treatments for autoimmune diseases, neurological disorders, and other oncology candidates. What's interesting from a value perspective is that despite stable revenues, a strong pipeline, and a fortress balance sheet, the stock isn't getting the kind of premium multiples you'd expect in this space. That's partly due to its location. Japanese healthcare stocks often trade at a discount compared to their Western peers. But that's where opportunity lives. Revenue last year exceeded $3 billion, and the company enjoys healthy margins and strong free cash flow. It has virtually no long-term debt and regularly returns capital to shareholders through dividends and buybacks. In a world full of over-leveraged, speculative biotech names, Ono is an outlier in the best way. The company continues to invest heavily in R&D and strategic collaborations. It's partnered with some of the biggest names in pharma, giving it global reach without overstretching operationally. And recently, it's been quietly expanding its international footprint through licensing deals and clinical trials in North America and Europe. All of this points to a company that's playing the long game, and playing it well. Of course, there are risks. Patent cliffs, competitive pressures, and regulatory hurdles are part of the industry. But compared to many of its peers, Ono is already profitable, already diversified, and already entrenched in markets that matter. From a valuation standpoint, the current price could reflect an overly conservative take on its future growth. And for long-term investors looking for steady compounders in global markets, this could be a name worth watching. At Insightful Value, we break down companies like Ono Pharmaceutical because we believe smart investing starts with clarity. We cut through the noise and surface opportunities that don't make the headlines, but might make a difference in your portfolio. You can find more info on Ono and many other overlooked companies on InsightfulValue.com. Whether you're new to investing or a seasoned pro looking to sharpen your edge, our research brings you real-world insight without the fluff. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for future deep dives. And definitely visit InsightfulValue.com to dig deeper.